God bless you, cake lovers. Welcome back to my channel, Graceful Cakes. Join us today as we decorate another beautiful cake, and I call this one Wine in Cake. Wine in Cake. The party is all set. Cake is there, the wine is there. Watch me closely to see how I decorated this wine in cake. So many people saw this cake and they were wondering how the wine entered into the cake. So this is what I did. I baked the cake first and then bored a hole at the middle of the cake, trimmed the bottom to remove the burnt parts, and then I just put the wine into the cake. That's how the wine got into the cake. I joined 2 layers of cake together using buttercream. Follow me closely, please don't go away. So I topped the first layer with buttercream, filling it in closely before I added the second layer of the cake. For those who don't know how to make buttercream, leave a comment below and I will upload a video on how you can make buttercream. So now I'm cutting the cake into a perfect round shape. Cutting it to a perfect round shape. Removing the extras. Don't go away. Watch me closely, please. Let me use this medium to appreciate all my subscribers and everyone sharing my videos, watching my videos, giving me thumbs up, dropping lovely comments for me. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Thank you for being there always. Remember, there will be no graceful cakes without you. Stick with me. Continue to watch my videos. Continue to share them. Continue to drop your comments. And I assure you that you will learn good things here. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please make today that glorious day that you join my subscribers supporting my channel. I will really appreciate that. Please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you will always be notified whenever I upload a video. Also, I want to appreciate all my customers for patronizing me. Please keep the orders coming. We are always at your service to engrace all your events. Now we are just going to cover the cake all the way with buttercream. All the way with buttercream. I'm just using the exact color that you get from the buttercream. I'm not adding any color to this first covering, but I will decorate later with other colors just to add beauty. Follow me closely and see how I beautify this cake. I made this video so slow, not so fast, so everyone can get to see what's going on, and so everyone that wants to learn can learn from this video how to cover a cake with buttercream. You have to be meticulous about covering it to make sure that all the spaces in the cake are well covered. Every space covered with buttercream. You take it gradually. This cake in particular is a masterpiece, and I thank God for His creative grace. this particular cake in wine in cake got over 70,000 views on my Facebook page, Graceful Cakes. You can check out my Facebook page, Graceful Cakes, to see what I'm talking about. Over 70,000 views and a lot of shares, even from people that I do not know. They shared this cake because it's a masterpiece. They just loved it just as much as I loved it. Keep watching. I hope you're learning something. I made this cake particularly for a birthday celebration in church, and it was awesome. Everybody just loved it. Apart from birthdays, you can use it for anniversary and any other kind of celebration of your choice. The wine is there and the cake follows. The party is all set. We are not waiting for any other thing. Let's get the party rolling. So now I'm just smoothing up, leveling everything up, filling the spaces, smoothing things up so the cake will be smooth on the surface. Beautiful cake. Stay tuned, don't go away. After leveling it up, the next thing I'm going to do is to mix the buttercream with color red to get the color red to decorate this cake. Just red for flowers. I wanted the flowers to look like hibiscus flowers, you know, red, and then the green. So what I did was to add color red to the buttercream to get the red flowers. Then I added color green to the buttercream to make the green leaves surrounding the red flowers. I actually lost some parts of this video. I couldn't get some parts of it recorded. You know, that's one thing that happens to us when we're recording. Sometimes you put your phone on pause and you think it's recording, you continue your work, only to come back later and discover that what you did was not recorded. So we encounter that every now and then, but you're still going to get the full bits of everything that was done in this cake, so you know what to do in case you want to try it out. The next thing I'm going to do is to prepare my piping instruments, my bag for the buttercream, and then the piping mouth to decorate this cake all around, and to make some beautiful roses around the cake at the middle, like a ring around it. So that's what I did here. I just piped it. I wanted it round. It could have been another shape, but I chose this one that will appear like a ring around the cake, a ring of round roses. If you don't know how to pipe a cake, look closely and see the way I'm piping this. So what I did next was to add green. Yeah, I did the red around the wine, also at the top and at the bottom, just to bring it out better. And then I added edible beads to the roses at the middle, and then I applied green buttercream to make leaves around the roses at the middle, so they can look something like hibiscus flower, if you know what I mean. Doesn't it look so beautiful? Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next week when I upload another beautiful cake decorations. Over to the fridge.